Welcome to Product Critique, the home of smart reviews that help you make better buying decisions. Today, we're talking about the best air fryer counter protector available on the market, the silicone heat-resistant mat, measuring 18 by 15 inches with a thickness of ½ inch. If you're someone who loves using an air fryer, a microwave, or even a toaster oven, but hates the thought of damaging your kitchen countertop with heat or scratches, this is a must-have. The mat we're reviewing today is a sleek, black silicone heat-resistant pad that doesn't just do its job. It elevates your entire cooking setup. Let's start with its design and compatibility. Measuring a generous 18 by 15 inches, it offers enough surface area to comfortably accommodate most air fryers on the market. Whether you're using a Ninja, a Accessory, a Chefman, a Toshiba, or even a Farberware unit, this mat has you covered. Literally. It fits perfectly underneath these appliances, protecting your kitchen surfaces from heat, grease, oil, and accidental scratches. The real highlight is the material. It's crafted from high-grade silicone, not cheap rubber or foam that breaks down over time. This silicone is flexible yet tough, and it's built for high heat resistance. Whether your air fryer is running at full blast or you've just taken a hot dish out of the microwave, this mat handles the heat like a champ. You don't have to worry about warping, burning, or melting. Now let's talk functionality. This isn't just a heat mat. It's waterproof, oil-proof, and non-slip. The surface is designed to prevent your appliance from sliding, which adds a layer of safety to your kitchen routine. And if you're worried about cleanup, don't be. A quick wipe with a damp cloth, and you're good to go. No scrubbing, no stains, no fuss. Storage is another win. Despite its thickness, the mat is flexible and folds easily. So when you're done using it, you can roll it up and tuck it into a drawer or cabinet without taking up much space. It's a small but thoughtful design choice that makes a big difference. This mat also goes beyond just air fryers. You can use it under coffee machines, stand mixers, toaster ovens, ice makers, juicers, even slow cookers. It's a true multi-purpose kitchen accessory that you'll keep finding new uses for. So to wrap it up, this silicone heat-resistant mat is a simple product that solves a very real problem. It protects your countertops, supports a wide range of appliances, and is built to last. For anyone who uses high-heat devices in the kitchen regularly, this is a no-brainer. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart buying advice and deep dives into products that make life easier. See you in the next one.